Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to install packages in Visual Studio Code. So, first of all guys, in order for you to have Visual Studio Code, you can just go to your browser and then search for Visual Studio Code in the URL section. After that guys, you just have to go to code.visualstudio.com, and please guys, if we want to here, for example, Visual Studio, you will find that there is actually another program with the same name. So guys, don't make the confusion between these two. The one that we are using in this tutorial is Visual Studio Code with the bluish icon. The other one is Visual Studio without code. So now let's get here to the website and then let's download them through this button over here. So download for Windows through this button, and then if you don't have Windows, for example you have Mac OS or Linux, you can just click here and then choose to download each one of these. So now after we've done with that, just go ahead and open your program. So here we go. Now in order for us to actually install packages, well, it depends actually on the language. So in these tutorials I'm just going to show you in Python. So basically you will need to go, for example, to extensions by using Ctrl Shift X or just going to this menu. After that, you have to download the wantable language. So for me, I want Python. I go here, install it. Pretty simple. So what you have to search for first, if the package that you are looking for is actually in the extensions section. So for example, here, package Python, and here all you need to do is search for this package. So here is Python environment manager and package installer for JSON, this Python extend package. You can like go through all of these and just put the name of the package that you want. Now let's say that you have the package on your PC and you want to import it to here. What you have to do is go to file, new file. After that, choose the Python file. After that, this will be opened. So all you need to do is import it. So import, and here you must put the name. So at the moment, they will show you that it is wrong. So what you have to do is actually go to terminal and then click pip install and the name of the package, and then you must have it on your PC. So after that, it will be directly installed on your Visual Studio Code, and this wrong sign will be removed, and everything will be good working for you guys. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.